and Sam from Miss Ford's 5th grade.
Tornadoes are not safe for all. This is to stay safe during a tornado.
Get away from all windows. Stay in your basement. If you don't have one, go to the very center of your house. Only if it is your last resort, go in a ditch.
It's kind of safe. Stay indoors.
Don't go by any windows unless you try to go underground like a storage unit or a basement. Don't go by any windows. Or don't go by any windows or outside.
If you go outside, you could get killed by a tornado. They go 200 miles per hour. At that speed, they can knock down anything in their path.
If you live in a mobile home, get out. They have very little protection.
Now we're going to talk about tornadoes. About 1,000 tornadoes are reported each year,
Resulting in about 80 deaths and over 1,500 injuries. Tornadoes can happen at any time of the year.
They cause a lot of damage. They can knock down buses or buildings.
Always listen to a radio if you have one for the directions and latest information.
Tornado warnings was either when